Hello, I'm here. Right, we've got something turned up today. Music in the background is courtesy of Tom McDonald. If you don't like him, I really don't care. There we go. Here we have the replacement fuel taps for the XS. So they've got to be put on the bike, which in itself is going to be a problem. So we have, that's a nice brake cleaner, and somewhere in here, I don't know what I'd do with it. I've got some carb cleaner as well somewhere. I don't know, I'm sure it will turn up. But yes, the problem with the taps that are on there at the moment is these filters were damaged, and where they've been stripped and rebuilt with a kit and everything, something inside one of them in here has gone AWOL. So I scoured the net, and it has taken a long time to find a new pair. The biggest problem is, I mean, you can buy new old stock, but they're like £200, and these just don't come up because there aren't that many XS11s about now. And I got really lucky. So I've got these. I'm going to give them a clean up, and that'll be that. I'm not going to do it on the video, purely because I don't know why. You know, one of those. Where are you gone? Trying to get you hooked up somewhere. Ah, there you go. Yeah, I'm not going to bother doing it on a video, and it's not the sort of thing you need to see. And I still haven't got my editing software set up because my computer decided that it was gonna, you know, motherboard, all that shit. So I've had to order a new computer, which should have been here the following day, and I checked the tracking on it, and it's now not going to be here till the end of the month. So again, I can't edit the videos, so I'm just shooting the videos and going to upload them. So that's sort of where it's at the minute. I've got a load of stuff on eBay, so hopefully some of that will go. Every time I come in here, I look around, I'm like, oh Christ, I could put that on eBay. I've got a Harley rev counter for a Sportster, which we bought for my old Sportster, but the one that came that was supposed to be for a 79 was electronic and not cable, so it didn't get used in the end. So I've got that. I need to get that up on eBay. I've got a toast rack off a Goldwing. I'm looking up, it's up on the ceiling, that's why I'm sort of looking up that way. Various other bits off CX500 Silverwing, that sort of stuff, that I need to get up on eBay and start getting some money in. I've got 3 sets of CX500 carbs there that I'm going to get down today, give them a clean up, get them on eBay. Yeah, and decide what to do from there. So like I say, it was only a short one. If anything spectacular happens, I'll start recording again. But other than that, I'm just going to give these a clean up. I'll try and get out here tomorrow, and I'll get the tank off, because I've got a rounded Allen bolt in one of the fuel taps on the tank, so I will record that to see how that goes, just for a laugh, because I'm going to screw it up. I know I am, and I'm probably going to have to drill it out, and the tank's full of fuel, so that'll be fun, or not. Yeah, so there we go. That's about it. Anyway, yeah, if I don't get back on here later showing you how much I've screwed up the new taps, I will try and do another video tomorrow, which I'll get out maybe over the weekend, maybe next week. I don't know. There we go. Alright. Be safe, be careful. Do one thing each day that scares you. For me, it's getting up in the morning, that terrifies me. You know, am I going to make it? How many creaks do my bones have today? It's like walking up old stairs. Which ironically, I have to walk up old stairs to go to bed. So, there you go. Anyway, alright. Be good. Ta-da!